Have you ever wondered how experienced investors choose their stocks? I show you how to explore expert portfolios and research ideal stocks using completely free websites. One of the easiest ways to investment ideas is by studying successful investors. Trendlyne lets you explore superstar portfolios where you can see the publicly disclosed holdings of well-known investors. This doesn't mean you should copy every investment. Instead, use these portfolios to discover companies worth researching. Let's say one company appears in several expert portfolios. The next step is researching the business. For that, I like using Screener. Here you can quickly see the company's revenue, profits, market value, financial ratios, and shareholding pattern. Instead of investing based on hype, you can look at real financial data. Now let's open Ticker Tape. This website gives a clean overview of the company. You can quickly see the business description, basic fundamentals, performance, and important metrics. It's a great place because everything is organized in one dashboard. Before investing, it's also important to understand what is happening in the overall market. The National Stock Exchange of India provides free market data, including the NIFTY 50 index and the most active stocks. This gives you a better understanding of the current market environment. Here's a simple process to follow. Explore ideas from successful investors on Trendlyne, research each company using Screener, review the business on Ticker Tape, and check the overall market on the NSE website. Using these 4 websites can help you make better investment decisions without paying for expensive research tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.